Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a recipient in Remitly. First, you have to log into your Remitly account. Then from the home page you will find the recent recipients. You can click on view all. Also you can click on this welcome, and from here you can just go to settings, and in this recipients section you will find the recipients details or the list of recipients that you have added to your Remitly account. Then you can simply click on this edit, and in the bottom of your screen in these details you will find delete option. Simply click on it and click on delete again to confirm the removal of the recipient details on your Remitly account. You also can find that in this homepage there is no recipient right now. As we can see in the earlier of this video there was a recipient, but now there is no recipient just because we just deleted our recipient details from our Remitly account. That's how you can delete recipient in Remitly accounts. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.